So you just saw your dream house and you want to put an offer in, but what are you going to do with your existing house?
Can you carry two mortgages at the same time? Can you even afford this house? And furthermore, can you even get approved to buy your dream house without first selling the existing property?
Over the next few minutes, we're going to explain how to stay disciplined when buying and selling a house at the same time, so you can plan this change, know exactly how the process works, and proceed with confidence into your next chapter.
Our names are Mike and Rachael Novak, and we help people buy and sell real estate all over Snohomish County.
One of the biggest mistakes and myths that people have about buying and selling a home at the same time is, how do you do it with as little stress as possible?
There are several ways to go about this, but the most important part is the planning and preparation. This is important because not everyone knows their options, and if you don't know your options, you simply don't have any.
Savvy homeowners know to get us involved long before they may actually be ready to make the move. They have us over to their home to check it out and see if there are any projects or cosmetic updates we recommend doing. We discuss the market, pricing, and their equity position, and we talk about options so they know what possibilities are available.
Waiting until the perfect home simply doesn't work. This results in getting your heart broken by missing out on that home, feeling defeated because you weren't prepared financially, and if you don't have a clear game plan, then you're not clear on the next steps.
Rushing your home to the market could cost you thousands of dollars. When you find a home, you love it, you want to put an offer in, and your current home needs to be ready to go. You only have 5 days. We have no less than 5 different ways we can sequence buying and selling at the same time, so you don't end up homeless and you don't miss out on the dream home when it comes on the market.
So if you or someone you know is buying or selling, or just has questions about anything in the process of buying or selling in Snohomish County, schedule a time to meet with us. It'll take about 30 minutes to go through your scenario. We can advise you then on exactly what to do free of charge.